Today, I'm excited to introduce Bitly Assist, an AI-powered chat assistant built directly into Bitly that lets you get insights from your link and QR code data in seconds. Whenever you need a performance update or want to create new links, you can ask in plain language. Let me show you how. Your clicks and scans are telling you more than you think. Say you just launched a campaign last week and want to see how it's doing. You'll see these commonly asked prompts here to help you get started. Let's select one. Summarize my performance from the last 7 days. Right away, you'll see a summary of last week's clicks with overall engagement. You can then follow up, find out which channels are getting the most traffic, and more. You'll get quick insights into your data without any manual work. Now let's say I want to act on what I just learned. To keep up the momentum, I need some new links for my next campaign. I'll click on Make a Unique Link for every post. I type in my destination URLs and custom backhalves. Bitly Assist requests my approval, I confirm, and the links are created all at once. Bitly Assist is now available across all paid plans. Just look for the Bitly Assist icon on the top right-hand corner of your account. Try it today and see what's working in seconds.